In today's uncertain world, security is paramount. That's why we're excited to introduce BlastProof, David's Shield, a groundbreaking protective solution. This isn't just any product, it's a multi-layered shield built to withstand the most intense forces, supplying you with peace of mind. You may wonder, what is David's Shield? It's one of the most advanced safety systems on the market. Using state-of-the-art blast-resistant technology, it goes beyond traditional protective gear. It employs multi-layered composites to absorb and disperse shockwaves from explosions. Whether you're military personnel or a family at home, it offers unmatched durability and reliability. The inspiration behind David's Shield comes from the legendary shield of King David. This symbolizes resilience and divine protection, merging ancient wisdom with cutting-edge technology. The result: a powerful defense system that provides not just safety, but hope. Purchasing David's Shield is easy. Visit the link in the description below to explore various packages tailored to your needs. Each order comes with comprehensive guidelines and instructions, maximizing your investment. But how does David's Shield work? It's more than gear, it's a faith-based survival framework for catastrophic events. It prepares you for sudden grid failures like EMPs or cyber attacks, teaching you how to build a Faraday shield using everyday materials. This keeps your electronics safe when the power goes out. Moreover, the guide details how to preserve food, water, and medications without power. Learn to collect and filter water or keep vital medications viable using tried-and-true methods inspired by Amish practices. If the grid fails, traditional backup tools may falter. David's Shield equips you with low-tech energy solutions to generate light and heat. You'll also find guidance on home security without heavy weaponry, employing clever strategies to deter threats. Don't worry if you're new to prepping. The David's Shield Guide walks you through every step, from assessing risks to long-term resilience, ensuring that anyone can implement these strategies. Extensive research backs the science behind David's Shield. Understanding EMP threats and tested survival methods ensures practical solutions for when modern conveniences vanish. This safety net combines physics and biblical wisdom, echoing lessons from figures like Noah and Joseph. The benefits of David's Shield over traditional prepper kits are significant. While many overlook EMP protection, David's system offers practical, lasting solutions. Learn independent food and water preservation methods, while traditional kits often rely on limited shelf life supplies. Affordability is another key advantage. With David's Shield, one purchase grants you timeless knowledge, while traditional prepper kits require ongoing, costly investments. Designed for everyday people, David's Shield serves anyone wanting practical preparation against disruptions. It empowers families to lead with confidence and faith in troubling times. So, are you ready to take control of your family's safety? With David's Shield, you gain not only a protective tool but also a resilient mindset. Plus, your purchase is risk-free with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't wait. Visit the official David's Shield website linked in description below today, secure your protection, and equip yourself with enduring knowledge for any eventuality. Your family's readiness starts now.